What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we got a little haul review for you guys. Gonna be going through a bunch of items. If you guys want to get any of these items, they will be linked down below, spreadfinds.net. Now I got this massive haul. It's 2 boxes. It's around 20 to 30 kg. Took around a week and a half to arrive to me, and I'll put the price of shipping. If you guys haven't used Mulebuy before, they are offering a shipping coupon, so you guys can get $400 in shipping coupons once you guys sign up with the link below. And let me know if you guys want more videos like this, because I can review so much more. But other than that, let's get into it. Kind of started opening some stuff. Let me go ahead and unbox all of this. Ooh, this is a good one. I got this beautiful Outerwear bag. It's a little tote. Has a lot of space in it, actually. And as you guys can tell, there is a little bit of branding in there. I really do like how these bags are. I have one of these and it's kind of similar. Got the little torn up jeans look to it. Here's a little bit of an up close. Has the Outerwear logo kind of debossed onto it. Love this piece. I'm rating this one a 9 out of 10. Quality is amazing. Next up, we have a polo. This is the Mowalola Atlanta polo. It's actually a collab with Sicko, believe it or not. We got the Sicko right on the back. Shout out to Atlanta. I'm a Georgia boy, Peach boy. Gotta represent the A. Then we got a little bit of cursive on the actual sleeve. Tough little piece right here. Go try it on. Hey guys, this one is an actual banger. I really do like how this one fits on body. We got the little embroidery on both sides right here, and this is the back. Kind of want to get more polos. This is actually a good one for the summer. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's a good one. Recommend it. Giving this one a 9 out of 10. All right, let's see what else we got. Now we have a pair of jeans. Got these pair of Nofaithstudios jeans. It's a new release, so I was actually really hyped for these. We got the Nofaithstudios branding right here and on the back tab as well. Nofaithstudios jeans really be fitting the best on me, so let me go ahead and try them. I'm gonna turn this around a little bit. And here's how they fit on body. I might have gotten a size too small for this one, I won't lie. Honestly, they're kind of okay. I would want them to be a bit baggier. It's all good though. Next time, order a little bit bigger. If you guys wanna get these, they're not bad quality, but I just got the wrong size, so. For that reason, I'll probably give them like a 7 out of 10. Might not use them too much, but I could put some shit together, you know what I'm saying? Never too late. All right, so let's see what else. Dude, goddamn. Whew. Fucking hell, this shit's hard as to open. This is so much packaging, bro. If you guys haven't got your first haul yet, or if you got your first haul before, you're gonna know that, bro, this is just like Christmas, bro. Oh my God. Ooh, I've been waiting on these, man. Come on. Damn. So these are a new colorway of the Helliot Meal hiking boots. Y'all might have seen the black one that came out, but yes, they do have the gray now. Man, I've been hyped to get these. Look at that, man. Beautiful. They look amazing. That I'm gonna low-key put these to the side. I don't know if I'm gonna try every single item, but I'm gonna just show you guys real quick what you guys can find on my sheet. So we got these. Beautiful. Ran me around like 100 something, but they do feel really good quality. They have all of the branding, as you can see right there. Let me see what else we got. This might actually go with my pants. This is the ERD smoked cigarette long sleeve waffle knit type thing. As you guys can see, it's pretty simple. It just has the ERD logo. And then, I don't even know, they have like a little dirty ashiness to it. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on, just see how it fits. Wait, hold on, am I cooking with this? I don't even know. Y'all fuck with this shit? I went cream on cream, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like Michael Rubin white party, and I'm just pulling up, little baby in a corner over there, hanging with the white folks. But bro, honestly, this is a really good piece. I won't lie. It feels good. It's a little bit lightweight too. I don't mind it in the summertime. I would not mind it. But what y'all think, low key? I think I'm liking these jeans a little bit more now. Honestly, I'm really impressed with this one. I'm really impressed. I like this one a lot. Feels good. It has a little bit of a little slit thumb for you, so that's nice. Good little addition to that. I'm rating this one a 10 out of 10, bro. I really like how this one fits. And I guess a good way to segue into the next piece, because it's another ERD piece. It's an ERD jacket. It's a denim jacket. I'm hoping this one is decently cropped and it just fits good, because last jackets I've gotten, it's not fitting right, bro. They're not hitting. All right, let's get it. I definitely don't think it goes with the cream, but as you guys can envision, it's actually nice. I think this is a very good piece with potential. So honestly, I like it. Good quality, has all the little D embellishments, got a little branding on there. Nice little wash. The color's good. Just doesn't really go with what I'm wearing right now, but I know I could find something that goes with it. Solid piece. I'm giving this one like probably a 8 out of 10. I might not try this one on right now, but if you guys are archive heads, y'all wanna get some, if 6 was 9, some Japanese shit, got this piece right here, a little tank branding right there. Jesus died for you. And then the back is a cross. And then it has the, if 6 was 9, little leather python patch. So good piece. If y'all wanna get some, I got some good archive in there. The sheet ski. I'm gonna start opening up the big boy. Damn. Guys, if y'all don't see how big this is.
Daddy, chill.
All right, let's get into it. Damn. Probably broke something in there. Whew. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I might save some items for another video, make it a part 2. We'll just probably do the best items in this haul and then be done. Whoa. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, we got a little bit of an undercover shirt going. Peep the graphic. Peep the tags. Simple piece. I think this one was around 15. So cool little t-shirt, add it. Ooh, another jacket. This is a Far From What jacket I was waiting on. Let's go ahead and try this one on. I was pretty hyped up for it. The interior of it is actually pretty nice. It has a nice little material. And then it has distressing all over. I like this. Hey, this is a good jacket, I won't lie. Fits me really good, perfect. This is a good piece. I'm gonna rate this one probably a 7. Oh, shit. This one I was waiting for. This is a Nofaithstudio jacket, leather collar, elongated, cropped. Time for the fucking test. Sexy. Got the little tag in there. Ooh. Oh, it's a little tight joint. Hold on. Let me put on the shirt. I think it'll fit better. We got the shirt on now. Get somewhere with this. I'm not overly hyped about this one, but it's not something I usually wear, so I don't know. I think I could put something together with this, but I don't know if I'm that big of a fan. I don't know. Maybe I have to really put something together. Either way, it's still a good piece. I really do like how it looks, but maybe it's not for me. I don't know. Honestly, solid jacket. Not my personal favorite. So I'll probably give this one a 6 out of 10 for this one. I got some more undercover actually. Look at this piece. Got the little rose. It's like a flannel type hybrid shirt, something like that. Pretty thin. Let me try this one on. Wait, actually pretty nice. What y'all thinking? I like it. Let me see if the back looks goofy. It's a little different, but honestly, I don't mind it. I'm down to rock some different shit, you know what I mean? But solid little piece, good layering. Actually, I really like this one. I'll probably rate this one a 8 out of 10, 8.5. Let's get next piece. Let's keep this going. Bro, this haul is messy. Oh my God, this is messy. I ain't talking about Lionel Messi though. Oh shit. I know we're in the middle of summer, but I got this little heady Dior scarf, man. I got this shit. This will be clutch whenever it's wintertime, but it's getting hot out here, man. I don't know. It's still a good little addition to the haul. I think it was like $5, bro. So if you're a heady Dior type of goot, cop that. Oh, what the okay, well, at least it's super protected. Got this Supreme deck right here, man. Peep this beautiful deck. I think this one ran me cheap too, is $20. Get your decks on Mulebuy, man. Goddamn, this is gonna be some good home decor, solid. I'm rating this one probably 10 out of 10, bro. It's a good piece. Next piece up, we have a number 9 t-shirt with hella words. What do they say, you ask? You are the generation that bought more shoes and you get what you deserve, bro. That's just me, so I think it's good. Here's how it fits on body. Love the brown on this. Ooh, got some distressing to the print as well. Good, solid piece. Honestly, really like it. Fuck with this one. And then the chrome box came in. Y'all peep this. Y'all can't see it that well, but boom, chrome shoebox. What's in the shoebox? Oh, still some more covers. Ooh, hold on. We got chrome slides on them, boys. God damn. These are sexy, bruh. We got the cow print cross patch, bruh. Oh my God, and they fit gorgeously. Oh my God, I gotta show y'all boys these. Guys, don't mind the fucking crazy haul mess, but peep that. Really nice. Chrome on the bottom. Crazy nice patch. Branding right there. Sheesh. Love these. These about to be the house slides for real. Overly good pickups, man. Come on. Next up, we got a little belt action. This is a Chinese brand actually, and it was pretty budget. This is the buckle, guys. And then the strap is actually pretty good. It's solid leather. You guys can see the quality is not bad at all. And it's just like a nice little belt. Might not fully thread it, but good little belt. Budget little belt. Add it to the haul ski. Speaking of belts, we got this chrome iced out cross one. Y'all wouldn't believe how much I paid for it as well. The quality is insane. Has branding on the back of it and on these little hinges, little buttons. This is the fucking, see, it has chrome branding. I also got this little random cuff, small budget little accessory. Added it in the haul, dope little pickup. What else we got? Oh shit, let me open this up. Your last item. If I know what I know and I'm thinking what I know, these are gonna be, oh shit, yes. We got the Bape glasses, guys. Super sick, bro. Then we have a little bit of Bape on the inside. Let me try these on. Ooh, they got a little tint on them too. They got a little tint. Y'all see the little Bape though? Y'all see it? I really like these actually. You can still see the eyes. I like these a lot. Giving this probably a 10 out of 10. Guys, that's gonna be the end of this haul. If you guys want more videos like this, I have more items to review, but if you guys want and like these type of videos, make sure you guys subscribe, leave a comment, genuinely tell me what you guys like about this video, what could I do differently, what you guys want, I wanna hear the feedback. But other than that, that's gonna be it. To get any of these items, they're just down linked below. Full tutorial on how to use Mulebuy, everything, all you need, it's all there. I'll catch you on the next one. I love y'all boys, peace.